My name is Yanmapas Gores. I'm from BSEE 2. And the title of The Power of Science, Technology, and Shaping Society. Technologies are not just a tool of innovation. They are forces to shape our social, cultural, economics, and political lives. Every discoveries as inventions bring both opportunities and responsibilities, and that influence how we live, connect, and decide as a society. Socially, science and technologies bridge gap between people from instant communication across the globe to advanced medical care, and they improve human connections and save lives. Yet, they also raise concerns about privacy, inequality, and dependence on machines, reminding us to use them responsibly. Culturally, innovation reshapes traditions and identities in social media platforms. For example, allow diverse cultures to be shared and celebrated, but they can also lose of cultural roots. It is our challenge to preserve heritage while embracing progress. Economically, technologies drive growth and open new industries. It creates jobs, boosts productivity, and strengthens global trades. However, automation and artificial intelligence also threaten traditions employment, raising questions about how society can ensure fair opportunities for all. Politically, science and technologies influence decision making on issues like climate change, national security, and digital governance. Leaders rely on data and innovations to craft policies, yet these same tools can be misused for control or misinformation. In conclusions, science and technologies are double-edged swords. They can uplift societies or deepen divides. It's our responsibility as a future leader to ensure they are guided by the ethics, exclusivity, and visions of a common goods. That's all. Thank you.